Hello, fellow travelers. Have you ever dreamed of exploring a place brimming with vibrant colors, rich history, and warm smiles? Let's embark on a cinematic journey to Colombo, Sri Lanka, a city where ancient traditions meet modern marvels. Imagine stepping off the plane, a gentle tropical breeze carrying the scent of spices and frangipani flowers. Our adventure begins in this captivating city, ready to unveil its hidden gems and unforgettable experiences. Get ready to be enchanted by the magic of Colombo, where every corner whispers tales of a captivating past and the promise of exciting discoveries. Let's dive into the heart of this tropical paradise. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Colombo, the bustling streets of Peta Market. The air buzzes with activity, vendors calling out, and the aroma of exotic spices filling the air. We'll navigate through vibrant fabrics, glistening jewelry, and taste local delicacies like crispy hoppers and aromatic kotu roti. Next, we'll find peace in the serene Gangaramaya temple. Admire the intricate architecture, colorful murals, and the scent of incense filling the air. Let's observe the rituals, feel a sense of tranquility, and perhaps receive a blessing for our journey ahead. Leaving the city behind, we'll venture into the lush landscapes that surround Colombo. Picture emerald green tea plantations stretching as far as the eye can see. We'll visit a tea factory, learn about the process from leaf to cup, and savor the aroma of freshly brewed Ceylon tea. Our adventure continues to the shores of Mount Lavinia Beach. Feel the soft sand between your toes, the warm Indian Ocean lapping at your feet. Let's watch local children flying kites, surfers riding the waves, and soak in the vibrant energy of this coastal paradise. As the day draws to a close, we'll find a serene spot on Gallifay's Green. This oceanfront promenade offers breathtaking views of the sun dipping below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. The warmth of the Sri Lankan people, the richness of its culture, and the beauty of its landscapes, Colombo has left an unforgettable mark on our hearts. So, dear travelers, pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and let the magic of Colombo unfold your next adventure.